When it comes to routine home maintenance, your dryer vent may be the last thing on your mind. But dryer vents can clog with lint, dust, hair, and other small debris, and can prove hazardous if left untreated. So when was the last time you had your dryer vent professionally serviced? In this video, we will tell you how often you should have your dryer vent duct professionally cleaned and inspected. But before we clear away the lint, don't forget to subscribe to the Alpha and Omega YouTube channel for more chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent related content. If you find this video helpful, be sure to click the like button and leave us a comment below. Who would have thought that the simple task of doing laundry could pose a potential threat to your household? Most people tend to forget about their dryer vents, which can cause a number of issues for your dryer and the safety of your home. While lint traps do catch lint, hair, and debris, many laundry-related particles still manage to seep their way into your dryer's ventilation system and can clog over time. This is why the U.S. Fire Administration recommends having your dryer vent professionally inspected and cleaned on an annual basis. However, if you use your dryer more than usual, you may want to consider having it cleaned more than once per year. When it comes to having your dryer vent professionally inspected and cleaned, you must be aware of how frequently you use your dryer. For instance, larger households, especially ones with kids or pets, tend to use their dryer on a more frequent basis. This means that lint, dust, dirt, hair, and other fabric clinging elements stand a higher chance of piling up inside your dryer vent. If your dryer vent remains untreated while being used, your dryer will be unable to exhaust hot air and cause your dryer to malfunction. Clogged dryer vents have also been known to overheat and start house fires. For the safety of you and your family, we highly recommend having your dryer vent professionally cleaned and inspected on an annual basis. Now that you know how often you should have your dryer vent professionally inspected and cleaned, it's time to give Alpha and Omega a call to schedule your appointment today. Alpha and Omega is Michigan's #1 chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent service provider, having served homeowners since 1997. Our team of industry-leading professionals are here to help you preserve the health and safety of your home by providing you with the services you need to keep your fire burning, keep your fireplace looking amazing, and most importantly, keep your home operating safely and efficiently. Call or click today to schedule your appointment with Alpha and Omega. More Alpha and Omega content will be coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.